Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka sarkar jalna minta kala deban penkre ya ka detail project report ha ka bayade bat ka jinshna penhe ya ki surak ki badan ha West Khasi Hills District bat hari Bhoi District. Kat kum ka jingya tho jang sembut menteri rangba uba Preston Tensong ha ka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ka sarkar kala bu thong ban snano ya ka surak Jagi Road na ka ba penyasno na ka snong umsning ka ban sam lingba ya ka snong Mauhati bat sakawai pat ka dai ka surak ka ba penyasno na ka snong umden nongpo. Shusholya thoru bakala deban penkreru ya ka detail project report ha ka bayde bat ka jingshna ya ka surak ha ka snong Mauet ka baha bapo ka West Khasi Hills District bat ka basa menta ka long satang ban shukhotno ya ka tender shwa ban pensdangno ya ka kam.
Few more projects in the pipeline where the DPR is still in the final stage. One project again in this World Bank funding, we have one more in Ribhoi district. We call it Umsning Jaki Road. Umsning Jaki Road via Mauhati. That Umsning Mauhati Jaki Road. Now the DPR is almost completed. And the next one is again Nongpo Umden. That again is DPR is almost completed. And one more in West Khasi Hills, we have Nongstoi Mauet. That also is very important road. So the preparation of DPR is almost completed. So hopefully by January we'll be able to again call a tender, and then allotment of work will be done. And again, we will start these few more projects. For this current financial year, about not less than 1,250 kilometers of PMGS line throughout the state. And few few projects they have already, few roads they have already approved. They have already included in the priority list. And I've asked my chief engineers and then my secretary, UD, and all the engineers to start preparing the DPR. 1,250 kilometers. It is not a joke. Meghalaya, a small state like us, 1,250 kilometers means it helps us a lot. It will really benefit the citizens of the state if we are able to complete 1,250 upgradation or improvement of the existing roads. Yaka maungap yaka nika surok kaban mi sedu ranikor lengba kamau kurwat. Hi kanika surok mi ong ka maungap mau plang weiloi mau kurwat tu ranikor. But yakane hakijisya naga liang ke Government of India kala agree kala pediang in principle ba kane keslok kan hak akan national highway. Dan rei ngidon santli ke buku kita di project kiba ka Government of India lengba ka Ministry of Road Transport kila pediang kila agree in principle dan rei hak bedai pada ban snai ki surok yakine ki agreed in principle kipa sangat swa. Namar kita perkat na kementak nu ka fund kan yaj na ka eka ka funding paten kan yaj ngamu. Naka daw hi hakato si puar ngi na kaliang ka pludi nila IT kan SRCL bahkan sna batkin surbino ia ka DPR. Ka bede kan sulok na mongap mau klang weloy nanta mau kurat ka banmi sapo ranikon. Jadin ba iyo igejing tip kejing city na po ka Government of India then nakaliang jong iru jong ka state ipensangay ka syatu na marki om keep it in abeyance hadu bakin da pentip na ka Ministry of Road Transport da kumoy pa nakadaw ka sangay syatu